Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to talk about breastfeeding and how mothers can make this journey more comfortable, calm, and manageable in daily life. For many new mothers, the beginning can feel overwhelming because everything is new. Learning feeding positions, understanding the baby's routine, and adjusting to daily changes all take time. But with patience and regular practice, things usually become much easier. One of the most important things during feeding is comfort. Try to sit in a relaxed position with proper back and arm support. When your body feels comfortable, the entire feeding experience often becomes smoother. It is also helpful to keep your baby close and properly aligned during feeding. A comfortable position can help make feeding feel more natural for both mother and baby. In the beginning, it is completely normal to need time to adjust. Some sessions may feel easier than others, and every baby has their own feeding style and rhythm. Creating a calm environment can also help a lot. Many mothers notice that feeding feels smoother when they are relaxed and not rushing. Paying attention to your baby's small signals is important too. Over time, you will begin to understand when your baby is hungry, comfortable, or ready to rest. Taking care of yourself is just as important as caring for your baby. Drinking enough water, eating regular meals, and taking short breaks whenever possible can help support your energy and daily routine. It is also helpful not to compare your journey with others. Every mother and baby are different, and your routine may develop in its own natural way. With regular practice, patience, and a calm mindset, feeding often becomes easier and more comfortable over time. Building a simple routine and staying flexible can make daily life feel more balanced and less stressful. Most importantly, trust yourself and move at your own pace. Confidence grows slowly with experience and consistency. With care, patience, and the right support, breastfeeding can become a calm and meaningful part of your daily routine. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.